Morning YouTube, welcome back to Full Tilt Grading. Happy Monday. First things first, I want to give a shout out to Dirt Perfect, man behind the scenes, and Jason Works a Lot. Sorry I couldn't join you guys this weekend, I would have loved to, but thanks for having my buddy Ed out and having our channel on your guys' live feed. We really appreciate it. Hope to get to meet you guys soon though. So today guys, we're going to be installing another 4-inch pipe run on that pole there. It's going to be for At&t. The pipe will have fiber in it eventually. It's about a 180-foot run. We brought the Cat 304 to help us out, and we're going to be landing the pipe right there in that little hole there. So we found an existing pipe here that we're going to have to tunnel under. Right there. Going to have to go under that to get our deck.
Careful. The coupling on that pipe right there, that thing's real loose. That's got live fiber inside it. So I want to try and at least get 24 inches of cover inside here. Brandon told me I was 26, so I want to try and get down another 2 inches. So with my pipe in there, I got 24 inches of cover. So and that's good. So yeah, over the weekend I had the opportunity to hook up with Dirt Perfect, Jason Works a Lot, and man behind the scenes, and I'm telling you man, couldn't meet a better bunch of guys. I'm telling you, they were so welcoming, just nice regular people, man. So if you guys haven't, I highly recommend checking out their channels. They invited me to come out to visit them out there in Derby, Indiana, which I definitely intend to take them up on. So we had a great time, really a great time. Rent a hammer every time we hit rock. Did a lot of basement foundations with it, townhouse developments. And when we got that 320 CL and got the ripper, we never rented a hammer again for basement work. We were able to rip rock with that thing. So when I saw Cat came out with the ripper for the minis, I had to have one.
I gotta be honest, sometimes I'll put this in my area west of the you can't tell. Beings were kind of on a little bit of a slope here. Ed's got to sit with his blade downhill to get himself level. That way we don't have a trench that's sitting like that. It's nice and flat at the bottom. bunch of pipes right there, Ed. Yep. So we found some pipes here that we knew we were gonna find. And there was supposed to be a pool box here where the white outline is and the spray paint is. Now that's probably not gonna work because these 4-inch pipes that are already here are gonna be in the way. Or sorry, 3-inch pipes. So we were on the phone with the PM trying to figure out what he wants to do. So we heard back from our PM and we're gonna not put a handhole here or a pool box. And we're gonna go under this 3-inch and go right between the 3-inch and the 2-inch there. We got that moved over enough. So guys, this here is our tool that Cornelius sent us from the land of misfit toys to find gold. Still looking, but we did find our utilities that we were digging around. We got all undermined underneath this existing 3-inch. We never found any more of that direct burial, so hopefully we don't find it. That'll make for a bad day. So we got all the 4-inch to the pole done, but the way we went about doing this was meeting in the middle of the trench here, and Ed dug it a little wider so we could use a slip coupling to join them, because the style coupling we use to connect joints like that in the middle of the run, it's called a slipper.
No shoulders in it.
No shoulders. You can go back and forth. We put Sharpie on either side of it so we know that we're even on either side. And that's it for this one. Got it all seeded and strawed. Got it all graded out. We graded out the road as well. The string's already blown in. Got the 3 or 4 loaded up. Now we're not done for today quite yet. We're gonna go stop by a job about 15 minutes down the road here. And there's the 4-inch we put in. Reduced down to a 2-inch. The electricians did that. But anyway, we're going to be going down the road here about 15 minutes and going to check out another job. We're going to be starting Wednesday, right, Ed?
Yeah, Wednesday.
Wednesday of this week. It's a little over 600 feet pipe run, 4-inch, same idea. So let's go down there, see if we can leave our machine till Wednesday. Well guys, we made it to our next job. We're gonna be going from this pole here, buried in the woods, can't really see it, down the driveway. And we're gonna have to be very careful we don't get into these farmers' crops. We try to be cautious of that. Now he does know, and he's okay if we mess up a little bit. Just be careful, he says. Now the one thing that's gonna stink is we have to put all the dirt we dig out on the stone in the driveway. So that's gonna be a little tricky to clean up, but we'll get it. Now here, we're gonna have to watch the power going into this transformer box there. It's calling for a pool box there. We're gonna be tunneling under the fence. And then we're gonna stub up right underneath this piece of equipment here with just one 4-inch pipe.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you wouldn't mind. Thank you.